Being that Houston was founded on the banks of the Buffalo Bayou, it is located just barely above sea level. The soil beneath Houston is clay, which prevents drainage, and with the expansion of the city roadways, buildings, and asphalt, it has made it more difficult for the water to drain. Houston's proximity from the Gulf Coast is only 40 miles, which makes Houston and surrounding areas more susceptible to rainfall and storms that tend to linger from late spring to early fall. Flooding in Houston is partly due to storms like Hurricane Harvey and partly due to rainfall. On average, Houston receives about 48.8 inches of rainfall per year. A major problem with flooding is that there have been three 500-year floods in 3 years. 500-year floods are only supposed to have a 1 in 500 chance of occurring a year. The common occurrence of these floods shows flood patterns are changing and increasing as climate changes. Hurricane Harvey caused 180 billion in damage and affected 13 million people from Texas to Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Kentucky. This hurricane affected day-to-day life because many people were forced to evacuate because of how bad the flooding had become. 135,000 homes were damaged, the death toll is at 82, and up to a million cars have been wrecked. Several oil refineries were forced to shut down to the effects of Harvey, causing operational issues which led to an increase in gas prices across the country and even shortages in some areas. Considering that the hurricane was extremely recent, less than 2 months ago, Texas and other places affected by Hurricane Harvey are still trying to recover. Many people are still in shelters and essentially homeless, and efforts are being taken to restore the cities to its previous state, and with all damage that Harvey caused, it is difficult to know when Houston and surrounding areas will be able to make strides to prevent such significant floods in the days to come.